Molly, do you like your bear? Why don't you give him a kissy? Give him a kissy. That's from Lucas. Give him a kissy. He gave that to you for Valentine's Day. Give it a kissies. Yeah. Yeah, you like it? You like it. Give him a kissies. Aw, that's so nice.